Hello everyone. Welcome to QuizNatural. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more exciting videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Can you guess the states by its famous food and places? Let's get started. Which US state is famous for deep dish pizza? B. Illinois. Which state is known for Hollywood? C. California. Which US state is famous for lobster rolls? A. Maine. Which state is called the Sunshine State? B. Florida. Which state is famous for bourbon whiskey? A. Kentucky. Which state is known for the Grand Canyon? B. Arizona. Which US state is famous for maple syrup? C. Vermont. Which state is home to Las Vegas? B. Nevada. Which state is known for cheesesteaks? A. Pennsylvania. Which state is famous for Mount Rushmore? B. South Dakota. Which US state is known for Tex-Mex food? B. Texas. Which state is famous for potatoes? A. Idaho. Which state is home to the Statue of Liberty? C. New York. Which state is known for gumbo and jazz? B. Louisiana. Which US state is famous for coffee culture and Starbucks? B. Washington. Which state is known for peaches? C. Georgia. Which US state is famous for Waikiki Beach? B. Hawaii. Which state is known for the Rocky Mountains? C. Colorado. Which US state is famous for clam chowder? B. Massachusetts. Which state is home to Yellowstone National Park? Let me know your answer in the comment. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment how many did you get right. Until then, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. That's all for today. See you in the next video.